Alright, welcome to StephAndMannie. I'm going to do a couple videos today. This is the first one. We're going to be replacing the gas cap on the Hummer. The piece that holds the gas cap on broke off. I know it's a simple job, but not too many people know how to do it, so figured I'd do an instructional video on it. Alright. Alright, here's the new one that I ordered. Got it off of Amazon, if you guys want. Here's all the information off of it. If you guys want, I'll put the link in the bio in case you guys need the same part. This is the part that broke off. A little piece of plastic. They get brittle and break. You know what I mean? I'm back. Had to switch to my GoPro. My Canon's battery died. Lack of doing videos and charging the battery. So we're on the GoPro. Anyways, just make sure they match up. Make sure everything, the notches match up and everything like that. And here we go. Alright. Alright, well, what I found out is if you put the bottom notch in there first, it's easier to slide in than just trying to force the arrow in there. So put the bottom one in and then slide the top in. So, and there you go. There you go, I'll hang. You don't have to worry about, I know some people take it off, put it on the bumper, put it on the gas pump, and forget about it. So, it's back to where it was meant to be. Alright, so we'll put that on. Make sure it clicks in there. There you go. Also, if you use the wrong gas cap and it happens to fit, if you get a check engine light, you probably got the wrong one. Alright, thank you. Remember to subscribe, like, give it a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.